Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is February the 5th, 2019, and my bok choy did come up for me. That came up, started coming up January the 26th, I believe it was. And I took it out of the enclosed container. Now, it did grow tall and spindly for the light. It was not right under the light. I'm kind of still testing the Shanghai LED grow light out to see exactly what all you can grow with it and how you can grow it and how far away you can have the light from the plants. If you look over here, my lettuce over here is closer to the light, and that stayed nice and short for me, and so did some of my other plants over there. I'm still testing this light out to see what all it can do, so I'll have to keep my seedlings closer next time. But you can see here, now I am going to be feeding this with an organic plant food, and it is getting its true leaf, so I can start feeding it. I'm going to be using Sea Magic, and I'll have a link down in the description for that. But I just wanted to let you know that this did come up for me. And I do have a fan that runs down here. I turned it off when I do the videos because you wouldn't be able to hear too good with the fan running, and I want you to be able to hear the videos, so I turn it off. But the fan helps to get the airflow circulating, and it also helps to get carbon dioxide back to the plants, and helps make the plants sturdier so that they continue to grow nice, and so that they continue to grow thicker for us. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.